Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ToolJet apps from saved data sources step by step clearly. To start restoring ToolJet apps from saved data sources, first, log in to your ToolJet account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where all your existing apps are displayed. Identify the app you want to restore. Click on the app to open it. Next, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the app interface. Click on the settings icon to access the app settings. Within the settings menu, look for the data sources option. Select data sources to view the list of previously configured data sources. Identify the data source you aim to restore. Click on the data source to open its configuration details. In the configuration details, look for the option to import saved data or restore data. Select the appropriate option to proceed with restoring the data source. You may be prompted to upload a backup file or specify a location for the saved data. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload or locate your saved data file. After selecting the file, confirm the action to initiate the restoration process. Wait for the system to complete the restoration of the data source. Once the restoration is complete, verify that the data appears correctly. Return to the app and refresh the data connections to ensure everything is updated. Now your ToolJet app is successfully restored with the saved data sources. You can proceed to test the app's functionality to ensure everything works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.